Alright, this is going to be our final televise. We've done excavation to do a spot repair from this sewer. What happened was previously there was a PVC cleanout that was attempted to be installed where they broke a hole in the top of the clay pipe, put a PVC riser and then concreted around it. That failed and roots were growing in, and that's why there was a hole. So we've removed that. And we're going to show you our repair. Alright, here's the start of the PVC. We have a 4-inch strongback Fernco connecting it to the cast iron. And here's where we connect to the 6-inch clay tile. And then we head along the main run of the sewer, connecting with other units, as you can see right here. So this is going to conclude our final televise. We will continue to record as we pull back, but this line is fixed and we'll no longer have any problems with the transition or that hole in the top of the pipe, as it is fixed with new Schedule 40 PVC.